Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. I just wanted to get this video out to you. It's late night. It's past midnight, but I figured I'm up and I'm looking at charts, so why not, right? For me, it's just about getting these videos out to you guys, and if I can help anybody, that's what I'm trying to here to do. I love all you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But I drew this out for you guys so you guys can look at it. I posted it on my Twitter, which is Moondog Trading 1. Okay, Moondog Trading 1. And then my YouTube is Moondog Trading. Make sure you subscribe to that as well. Hit the all button so you get all these notifications. But I just wanted to give you an update. You guys can pause this and read this, but I'm going to talk about it anyway. Or just share it with your friends on Twitter. So it's just a picture on Twitter, so you can just share it with them. So anyways, we're going to go through other quick video, just through everything else too. Matic, Cardano, Ethereum. Okay. So anyways, right now this is on the daily. Okay. Now we have the 200 and the 50 right here. Okay. Right here. This is orange. This is green. Orange is 50. The green is 200. Okay. This is the death cross. And yes, it is happening right now. The number is, we can go over, we look right here, and we can push over here. 42,858, and the 200 is at 42,969. So it is crossing. It's official. We have a death cross. Okay. No need to panic, because here's the deal. And I put the green, the orange is 50 and the green is 200. I put that here. Now, we have a head and shoulders pattern right here. I drew the line, okay? The price target for this is 50K coming out of this pattern, okay? Now, with that being said, this could fight us a little bit, okay? The orange line could come down. The 50 could come down, okay? That could act as some resistance, and the 200 could too as well. So, the 50 and the 200 could act as some resistance along the way. Okay, that's what I wrote there. Okay, then we got our shoulder here, our head here, and our other shoulder here. Okay, now this is an inverse head and shoulders. This is a bullish pattern. Okay, if it was flipped the other way, then it would be a bearish pattern. But this is a bullish pattern. Okay, so this is price target to 50K. Okay, the one thing right here under this red line that we do not want to see, and guys, when I warn you these things, they always happen, don't they? If you look at my past videos, I mean, when there's a warning, you better respect the warning. That's all I got to say, okay? So the one thing we do not want to see from Bitcoin is a daily candle close at this red line and open and get rejected. So if it closes and then we come up and it opens like down here and it comes up and then it gets rejected here and does not close another daily up here, then we can actually test. The more we test this 30K in this area, the weaker it gets, the more likely we have to break down. And there's a little bit of resistance. I think it was at like 27 or something, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, right around here, 27 area. Okay, and after that, I mean, it's downhill, guys. After that, it's downhill. Okay, maybe a little bit here. I mean, but this is very, very weak. Maybe some at 23, 24. The strongest one would be right around the 19,000 mark. Okay, and we don't want to be there, right? So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on this. This is very, very important, because as you guys know, as Bitcoin goes, altcoin goes. Now, with that being said, I drew my purple box. Okay, this is the box that I would be purchasing in. Okay, I'm accumulating in here. Okay, every dip I'm buying all the way down to my famous 3333, because I think the 33,300 area is a good area to hold up. Because if it doesn't, I'll have a stop under here, or I'll watch for a daily close and see what happens. Okay, but it's worth accumulating a little bit here. Okay, not much. You want to accumulate a little bit here. Okay, this way, if you do get stopped out, you're not getting crushed. And then what you do is you wait for the pattern to break out. Then you buy a little bit more, you move your stop loss up, and you're good. This is a free ride, guys. A free ride to 50K, and you can add as you go. So if we break these lines and you just add to your position. So you make more money on the way up, okay? I mean, that's my game plan. All right. I have a long positions. I have some holding positions already. But if this goes good, I'll hold with those holding positions as well, because this might be, I mean, the stock market's not looking good. Okay. The Fed, everything that's going on with the stock market's not looking good. The stock market chart is not looking good. So there could be some danger here as well. But I would be shocked if we go. I mean, I did predict 19K a long time ago, but I never really thought it would get down there. And I told you guys that, like, it could happen, but I mean, I just can't imagine that with all the money. But then again, retail can just get completely wiped out. It could be all institutional money at 19K, and they can just bring it right back up, and just retail will be out. So, because that would scare the bejesus out of a lot of retail. So, but this is where we're at with Bitcoin. So keep an eye on this, because everything else will go. Okay, we're going to look at Ethereum real quick, and then I'll go to Cardano, and I'll go to Matic, and we'll go to DOT. Okay, so right now we got nothing. We're still in our move here. Now, like I said, this has more potential to break to the upside, guys, than it does to the downside. We just got to get good confirmation, and we got to get good volume. You can see we had the volume bounce right here, which I talked about in my last video. We got the bounce, okay, and we got the rollover. And if you remember in my Bitcoin, it's funny how we exactly predicted this, right? I said, hey guys, we were down here. I think it was at this level. We were around this level, 35,200, 35,300, something like that. And I said we could go up and test the 36,300 mark, guys. And guess what? That was the high of the day, 36,340. Okay, so we talked about testing that. So if you wanted to make a quick trade on any of this, you could have made money on any of these. Okay. See, oh God, I hope I didn't just fail the thing, did I? So this is what I mean. This is what it says when I do videos. Oops, failed. All right, that's not good. I hope it didn't fail on you guys. I hope this goes through. But look, we talked about coming into this box and holding support. We talked about this area as a take profit area, guys, and then move your stop to your buying price. So if you did that, you made money. You won a trade for my last video. You guys won trades. Okay. Let's see. Cardano. Okay, so we talked about this 140 at Cardano, holding up for support. So far, it's doing a great job. Now we're still looking to trade sideways like we talked about and get back up into this box. Okay, so that's the other trade we talked about. Okay, we didn't talk about making any money on that one. All right, because if you got in at this box, we talked about making sure this holds up as support, right? Oh, I'm sorry, that's Matic. Sorry, and Cardano. We talked about this. We just talked about holding this up as support and going sideways and breaking out of this pattern to test this. So you shouldn't be in a trade here. I mean, it's up to you guys. You guys can do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor or anything I say is just my opinion. Okay, but Matic, yeah, Matic, we talked about that. That was a nice little move. Okay, now what do we got for DOT? DOT, we talked about this, and we got up to, we're still in this wedge. And I talked about, trading sideways, maybe out of this wedge and testing this area. Okay, so nothing has changed here. Nothing has changed really on Matic. I mean, we had a pump in which we knew we were going to get this area, and we're back holding support at 135. I haven't changed my lines. Okay, I haven't changed my lines. Cardano, same thing. Okay, nothing has changed. Okay, Ethereum, we're still holding up that 2155 area, and we're getting this rejection. at the 22 mark, right? At the 22, what did I say? 06 or 08, right? What was it? 2208 right here. Yep. And now you can see where the resistance is from this previous wedge right here. Okay, you draw the line, boom, there's where we got our resistance. Okay, so just wanted to keep you guys updated on everything. Bitcoin's the main thing because we don't want that to go down. This runs the whole market. Okay, so I drew this down. I drew this up for you guys. I put it on my Twitter. It's nice and simple. There's a death cross. Don't panic yet because there's also some bullishness here. Okay, like I said, you can slowly start to scale some money in here on some of these trades. Okay, not just on Bitcoin. You can put a little bit in. Keep your stop loss a little bit under here. If you feel safe, maybe 32 500 mark, 32 400 mark. Okay, because we don't want to see that drop, but we don't want to see a candle close. That's the key. If a candle closes, you want to make sure you're not really in this because that's too risky for me, anyways. You guys can do whatever you want, but this is what we're looking at. I posted this on Twitter. You guys can share it with your friends. You can look at it. The death cross is happening right here. Okay, we have a potential head and shoulders. We got to fill this shoulder. Okay, that's why I think there should be some more upside. Okay, but we could do it in this range. We could dip all the way down to the 300 area. Okay, so don't be scared if we get there, as long as we hold it. That's the main thing. And this could widen out a little bit too. Okay, I mean this could go a little bit wider. I mean, obviously I have no candles here to judge it, but you get the point, right? Head and shoulders. Okay, so now we're looking to fill this other shoulder to get this pattern confirmed, and then the breakout, of course. And that would be a candle closing. We would really want to break this previous high, and get past these moving averages. Okay, then we can worry about this clutter over here. But I think we'll have enough momentum from that point on to get past this stuff here, and we should be okay. So we could actually get a pump above it. Then what can actually happen is if we can stay above it, this can actually start to turn up. If we can get above it, this can actually turn up, and the green can actually keep trading sideways, and then the green can cross above. Okay, so right now the orange is going down above the green. That's a death cross. But if the green goes above the orange, it's a golden cross. Okay, guys. So then it does the crypto Bitcoin loves golden cross, better than death crosses, that's for sure. So just keep this in mind. I just wanted to get this video out. I don't know how many people are up right now or even going to watch this, but I wanted to make it because I told you guys I want to keep you guys posted. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, make sure you follow me on Twitter so you can get these kind of tweets. This is it right here on Twitter. Okay, so just make sure you guys follow me. Follow I just started this YouTube channel, so please follow me on YouTube because that's very important for me because I just started it. And dude, guys, I'm not doing this for me. I've been making money doing this for a long time. It's not about the money for me. Look, I told you guys, I'm willing to give out gold bars, pure gold. Okay, 5,000 every 5,000 subscribers, and the more I see you guys share and like, I have a program that it's helping me out, finding out who's sharing and who's hitting that like button every day, and for all you subscribers who are hitting it the most, you guys we're giving out gold because gold shows love, right? The Egyptians had it. Okay, everything. It's a loving thing. You go to you go to your wife, your girlfriend. What are you going to give her? You're going to give her gold, right? At some point. So it's just a loving thing. So, and plus, hey, if it goes up, you guys, you hold it. It's free. You got it for free. Just for watching and subscribing to my channel and making me feel good because I want to give gifts out, guys. I want to give to the people because I feel like if I give to the people, then I'll get more love in return. So listen, much love to you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. Moondog Trading, one word, at my YouTube. Make sure you hit the like button because that'll get you on the board. Every time you like and you're subscribed, you'll have a chance to win that gold. Okay, make sure you share the video so we can get the 5,000 subs. Because if you do that, then your likes will go a long way with you being subbed and getting that gold. So much love to you guys. I appreciate you watching my video. I'm gonna get this update out to you. So peace out.